Hi guys, welcome to Matt Bajerski YouTube channel. Oh yes, I look tired. I am tired. We literally haven't stopped. All of us at the office, we've been working flat out. We didn't realise how this would take off, but it has, and there's been some terrific messages coming in of people benefiting immensely. So this is like amazing. It's totally amazing. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to the last video I did and just check it out. Literally, I've been bagging up sage for the past 3 days now, non-stop. And the purifying oil I've just finished, so we've managed just to be able to get enough out for everybody. So hopefully you've got them and you've started to work with them, and that'll be amazing. I look tired because I haven't stopped. It was important that I got all these out to all my clients and all friends and people who really believed in what I was saying, and now it's up to you. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it really does make that difference. Remember guys, hands at the back of the head, okay, like this, standing up, just like that. Sitting down is okay as well. Standing up, relaxing your body and putting your hands behind the head. Feel the energy moving through. Breathe through the nose and blow out through the mouth. That is the most powerful way, because in the breath there's a certain way. I've tried to explain this and it's always a little bit difficult, but let me try again now before I talk about something else. So in the breath, when you breathe in through the nose, you are digesting or receiving. You become a vacuum cleaner for pure energy. So when you put your hands there and breathe in through the nose, that energy, universal energy, is poured into you. That's why the breath is important, the breath of life. So when you breathe this energy in, as you breathe it in, and then you breathe out through your mouth, you exhale, you actually blast energy through the hands when you exhale. So when you breathe in the beautiful energy of healing. When you breathe out, you breathe that very same energy out through the hands. So you can see the energy come in as the breath comes in and brings it in. That's why a lot of times you'll see easier if you've got one hand out and one hand like this, receiving, giving. So breathe in, breathe out of the hand, and that's how it works on an energetic level when you see it as a healer. However, when you are working with two hands, your body becomes the same vessel as the palm. So you breathe it in, it comes naturally through the head and through the legs, whether it's Mother Earth or within the energy around you. So imagine breathing in and then breathe out straight through the hands. The other part of this is exactly at the same time. That's why it becomes a bit confusing. When you breathe in through the nose, you also become a vacuum cleaner for negative energy that comes through. And when you breathe out, it blows out through your mouth. So this is a dual energy of cleansing and healing. It's amazing. That's why in the breath of life, I teach as pure energy healers to breathe. If you ever come to any of my teachings, you'll always see me running around very quietly like a butterfly and always saying breathe, because many people forget to breathe as healers. We all do, even I do. So breathe is really important when your hands are there, and then just let the work be done. Don't think about it, don't try and understand it, just let it. It's a natural process. It's like giving somebody a hug. Good luck guys. I really hope it makes a difference to you and your family and anybody who's going through a traumatic time at the moment. I hope it eases and helps a little bit. So today, right now, I thought, one of the girls said, look, let's do this. So do you remember when we did the special offer of all the 8 oils? And I added it up and we did it by DHL, and I said what we'll do is we'll try and get it as close to cost price. So we did it, and it was for all the 8 oils including DHL, which is again over 30 euros. It's between 30 and 35, 37. I got all the oils together, all 8, and said I'm going to ship them to you by DHL, which means it gets there between 1 and 7 days normally, which is brilliant. And I did that for, like, I said it was a special offer for a few weeks, and then it turned into a month. And then because it was doing so well and everybody was so thankful, and people were saying, please, I can't afford just yet, can you keep the offer on? So I kept it on, and we kept it on for a good few months. And then we took it off because literally we were running out, and I have to make these oils. And as you can see behind me, this is the new batch that now I've got to work on for at least 3 months. So that none of them can be touched now because I'm working on them. Even though they're half full of what they had in before, I still like to do at least a good few months of energy work into them. So where was I? So this morning I said, okay, because the issue we've got now is that I remember one day I just came out and said it, I'll never sell another oil. So if I ever make another oil, it'll be given away freely. It's been so difficult to try and resolve this in a way that I thought, okay, this is what we'll do. We'll go back to the original 8 oils, which is the healing oil. So this comes to you, the healing oil. The cleansing oil comes to you in the box. The abundance oil. The sacred oil, the Moldavite oil, with a beautiful piece of Moldavite in there, healing heartache, beautiful, the awakening oil, the energizing oil, and now as a free gift, as well as keeping it at, I think it's 135, including DHL. So you get all of them plus this one free. So I'm going to do that for a short period of time. And I think that's the best I can do with giving that one away free, like we've been doing with the with this new beautiful kit, which is going well, really well, more than I could ever imagine. So I'm really happy, guys, and I hope you appreciate the oils as much as I love working with them. So this is just a quick video to tell you that this beautiful offer is now up for a short period of time. I'll try and keep it on as long as I can, but there's got to be a point that I'll say, okay, we're going to run out. And if I run out, I can't use them. So I don't want to run out. So there'll be a point where I cut it and say, okay, we can't do that no more. So please enjoy those oils and the free purifying oil. And if you want to know how to use them, please just click on this video on here. And then what I'll do is I'll post some videos of all the oils and how to work with them. I think that's the best thing. So I'll post one link which will be for all the 8 oils, including the free oil at 135 and DHL free delivery. I'll post another link which was of the offer that I did a few days ago, which is of the 3 bags of sage, the cleansing, the awakening, and the purification oil DHL for 80. And all the links underneath, I'll share videos with how to use these oils. So that's it. I have to get back to work. As you can see, I'm tired, but I've still got lots of bagging up to do of sage. I've been working really hard, did a radio interview this afternoon, which was really nice. And we are working non-stop, all of us. So trust me when I say this, we are catching up to all the orders from these special offers, and they'll get to you very shortly. Please, with my hand on my heart, let us know underneath here if you've started to use it and started to go through this protocol of the oils and the sage. Let us know how you felt, how your client felt, how your family felt, how a friend felt afterwards. Did it make a difference? And did you experience something, and did you do something that was might be a little bit different and felt, wow, this works even better? Share it. Let us know, because this isn't about being right, Mark being right. It's about experimenting with natural products and seeing what works best. Okay, so you might have felt that you needed to go to the back or the stomach or the heart. Let us know how that went and what the process you did on top of the process that I did, that you might have added something else in and that you found more of a benefit. That's called spiritual growth for all of us, and I'm very keen to see, because I want to learn too. So let's make this grow and let's make this amazing, and please share your truth with us and keep going, and please remind your friends, clients to use the oils 3 times a day, because keeping that energy there makes a difference. I'm telling you, makes a massive difference. I'm seeing it every day. Okay? So, yeah. All right. Love you all. Have a great day. Thank you for going to markbajerski.com and buying your authentic oils, incense, and crystals. I hope you love them as much as I love working with them through the day and night. Enjoy.